Welcome students, 11th standard chemistry unit 14 haloalkanes and haloarenes பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கோம். In this sections we learn about the application of RMGX. Generally you know the general formula of Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent. The Grignard reagent is RMGX. That R is replaced by methyl group CH3MgBr, whatever halogen you taking. Okay, so that magnesium having is generally electropositive element. That is the magnesium is a more electropositive element. So the charge of is Mg2 plus. But this Mg2 plus attached with the two different group. One is alkyl, one more is halogens. So it is having a del negative. It is a del negative. So it is having a del positive because the positive valence will be 2. So this Grignard reagent now used for many organic synthesis of the larger reactions that I am now discuss one by one. So first you know about what is meant by primary, secondary, tertiary. So generally you know that carbon attached with only one methyl group, it is called a primary. So I am taking here, this is a primary alcohol, and second is another one carbon is replaced, it is a secondary alcohol, and the next one is a tertiary. 3 methyl group is attached, this is a tertiary. This is a primary alcohol, it's a secondary alcohol, it is a tertiary alcohol. So this primary alcohol is prepared by Grignard reagent. You taking the some reagent, that reagent is here, reagent is sources of aldehyde. That aldehyde is a formaldehyde. General formula of formaldehyde, aldehyde formula is a C double bond OH. General formula for aldehyde. So I am taking formaldehyde, so hydrogen is replaced. That is a formaldehyde. Here I am taking a acetaldehyde. What happening? Why I am taking acetaldehyde means here I am taking acetone. Listen, CH3. So this methyl magnesium bromide react with the formaldehyde, it gives a primary alcohol because this formaldehyde having no more methyl group. That methyl group is added to the formaldehyde, so you got a primary alcohols. I say the mechanism in the next topic. So similarly for secondary alcohol is prepared by acetaldehyde and tertiary alcohol is prepared by acetone. So I am taking the reactions here. What are aldehyde I am taking? 1 acetaldehyde is taken. That acetaldehyde having a carbonyl carbon. This methyl group reacted with the carbonyl carbon. So this methyl group is having a more electronegative ion because it's a magnesium attached with the magnesium, it is have a negative. So this is name called a carbanion. So this carbanion is attached to carbonyl carbon. So already you know the valency of carbon. Carbon valence is generally 4. So this I am taking general reactions CH3MgBr. Okay. So that CH3MgBr already I told us negative is also negative. It is a 2 positive. So this negative carbanion is attached to that carbonyl carbon of that aldehyde group. So that aldehyde group already satisfied 4 valency. So now extra 1 electrons add agudhu appadina in the double bonded carbon is a broken. Double bonded carbon will be broken. So now you get that negative charge will be attacked to one more times of magnesium. So how can you split here? That methyl group is separated from Grignard reagents. So I am writing here what is happening. I am writing here CH3 and OMgBr. It should be unstable. So it can dissolve with the water. In the presence of acidic medium, it is dissolved in water. How can you separate the water? Water is separated by H plus OH minus. So this is having a negative charge, this is a positive charge. So I can add a hydrogen ion here, OH ions here. hydrogen ion here and oxygen atom and OH ion here and the magnesium atom. So the reaction is splitted here HCOH, here HCH3. So remaining will be a magnesium compound will be liberated OH Br. So let us see one carbon attached with the one methyl group. That group is called the primary alcohol. Primary alcohol. Generally common name of the alcohols. How many carbons here? 2 carbon. So root word is a eth. Eth plus all ethanol. Ethanol compound. Okay, this is the primary alcohol. Let us see another one examples. Secondary alcohols. Secondary alcohols is prepared from acetaldehyde. What's the difference between formaldehyde and acetaldehyde? Formaldehyde is no more methyl group, which is a functional group having only one carbon, but acetaldehyde, C double bond O H, this is acetaldehyde. Common name is acetaldehyde and IUPAC name is ethanaldehyde. Ethanaldehyde because it's a two carbon having, so its IUPAC name is different. So now I take that. I did this react with the methyl magnesium bromide, methyl CH3MgBr. So how can you split this methyl magnesium bromide? I am taking this is a negative, this is a positive sign. So I can separate the two bonds. Separate the bond. This methyl group is attached to carbonyl carbon. That time this double bonded carbon is shifted to here. So this magnesium attacked to oxygen atom. What do you get? CH3COMgBr. CH3 here already having one hydrogen atom. So now it is added within the presence of acidic medium of water hydrolysis. Water hydrolysis. What do you get? This water hydrogen is displaced by two medium. This is a H plus ion and a OH minus ion. So it will be separated by two opposite signs. So what do you form? COH, hydrogen. Remaining will be some magnesium bromide. This is a addition compound, no need that. But the main of the compound is the secondary alcohol. How to find out the secondary alcohol? The carbon attached with the 2-methyl group, it is a secondary alcohols. Totally, how many carbons here? 3 carbons. So, secondary propyl alcohol. Yes, ethanol otherwise called as ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol. Similarly, secondary propyl alcohol. Secondary propyl alcohol, very important. How do you find out this secondary propyl alcohols? This carbon attached with a 2-methyl group and one alcoholic group. So it is called the secondary propyl alcohols. Okay, let us see the tertiary alcohol. This tertiary alcohol is prepared by acetone. Why? So first you see that the secondary is needed for methyl magnesium bromide react with one already on the functional group or methyl group irundha mattum dhaan namakku secondary prepare panna mudiyum. But primary la already namakku grignard region la or methyl group irukku. Appo nammaloda substrate la enna thevilla nu pathina methyl group thevilla. So I am taking for what? Formaldehyde. But idhula namakku already methyl group venundradhala nam enna eduthukkom? Acetaldehyde eduthukkom secondary alcohol ku. But tertiary alcohol நம்ம prepare பண்ணனும்னா we are taking the Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent that's react with the 2-methyl group substituent. So 2-methyl group, that's carbonyl group is attached with the 2-methyl group. That is name all of you very know well. What is that? Number of carbon 3. So it is a propanone அப்படினு சொல்லலாம். Commonly say not acetone. Commonly name of the compound is acetone. Commonly name of the compound is acetone. So there is a reaction with here. What happens here? This methyl group is broken. It's a negative charge, it's a positive charge. The negative carbon anion attack to carbonyl carbon. The carbonyl carbon is having already 4 valency. So this bond will be shifted to here. So this having negative sign. This negative sign is combined with the magnesium. So what happening here? Carbon CH3 here. Already this methyl group Grignard regions methyl group. Here now OMG Br. So this is in the presence of acid medium of water hydrolysis. That water will be what? H plus OH minus ion. So it will be separate them, both of them. So CH3 COH CH3 here methyl magnesium bromide. So this name of the compound is totally how many carbon? 4 carbon here. So it is called a butyl alcohol, but it is a tertiary butyl alcohol. What is it tertiary? One methyl group attached with a 3 alkyl group, that is called a tertiary alkyl halide. Generally you taking the name of the compound is a tertiary butyl alcohol. So let us see what is happening in this video. What are the applications of Grignard region? Grignard region general formula is RMgX. R is replaced by methyl group and magnesium is having 2 electropositive element, more electropositive element. So it is attached to 2 different negative ion. One more is a carbanion, another one is a halogens. Generally you know halogen is fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. Most of Grignard region is halogens only taking for bromine only. It's having a more electronegative element. So thus I am taking methyl magnesium bromide. This methyl magnesium bromide is used for preparation of 3 alcohols is from following this compound. Primary alcohol is gathered from formaldehyde. Secondary alcohol is gathered from acetaldehyde. And tertiary alcohol is gathered from acetone. இதுக்கான ரீசன் உங்களுக்கு தெரிஞ்சிருக்கணும். இதில் நமக்கு 3 வேணும்னா நமக்கு எடுத்துருக்க சப்ஸ்டியூட்ல 2 மெத்தில் குரூப் ஆல்ரெடி இருக்கணும். இதில் நமக்கு 2 சப்ஸ்டியூட் மெத்தில் குரூப் இருக்கணும்னா நம்ம எடுத்துருக்கிற சப்ஸ்டியூட்ல ரியாக்டன்ல ஒரு மெத்தில் group already இருக்கணும். அதனால we are taking the acetaldehyde. Here there is no more methyl group on that formaldehyde, so you can prepare the primary alcohol easily. So let us see what's happening in the mechanism of that preparation of primary alcohols. Okay, what's the name of the compound here? Formaldehyde. This formaldehyde, there is both the sides having a hydrogen atom. Generally aldehyde formula is a CHO. This hydrogen is added with the carbonyl carbon. It is called a formaldehyde. This Grignard region react with the 2 carbon atom. So this methyl carbon is attacked with the carbonyl carbon. This bearing the one bond is bearing to oxygen atom. So this oxygen atom attacked to magnesium. So you got a methyl magnesium bromide. When it is methyl magnesium bromide compound is compound, it is dissolved with the hydrolysis. Hydrolysis undergone, then only you form a primary alcohol, ethyl alcohol. This ethyl alcohol, one carbon attached with only one methyl group. Similarly, we are taking the secondary alcohol. Preparation of secondary alcohol is prepared by acetaldehyde. So this acetaldehyde already having one methyl group. This methyl magnesium bromide will be liberates the carbanion is a more highest electronegative. So it approach to that carbonyl carbon. That carbon having a negative. So this carbon having one pair of electrons shifted to oxygen atom. So it's having negative sign. Is attached with the methyl magnesium ion. Undergone ion is the same mechanism. It will form a secondary alcohols because it is having a 2 methyl group. The name of the compound is a 2-propyl alcohol. Secondary propyl alcohols. Similarly, we are taking a tertiary alcohols. Tertiary alcoholism, you are prepared from acetone. Acetone having a left and right, both the side having a 2 methyl group. So you can excess of adding from methyl group from the Grignard reagents. The Grignard reagents donate electrons. The methyl group is similar the electron to the carbonyl carbons. This carbon is shifted to that electrons. So that oxygen having a negative sign attack to magnesium of a positive charge. So it will form a bond formations. So it is an unstable compound. That compound is to be unstable. So it upon hydrolysis it will form a tertiary alcohol. The tertiary alcohol's name is a tertiary butyl alcohols. It is having 3 methyl groups. Both are same or different. No need. It's having a 3 methyl groups. So it is a tertiary butyl alcohols. Because total number of carbon is a 4. It is a tertiary butyl alcohols. Addition compound is a magnesium compound is a provided. So that is very important in asking, repeatedly asking in the 5 mark questions. So thank you for watching this video, students.